Hi friends. For Valentine's Day, I'm showing you how I painted this pear painting. It's flat, it's really pretty, and you can work on it a little bit more to define the pears, but here's how I drew the pears, because I know when I first started painting, I had the hardest time, drawing pears, and so I call this the chubby snowman drawing pear. And so look at that. All you do is close in those lines. You start with the circle and then a bigger circle, and you close in those lines. It's laying on its side. I mean, to me, this is the easiest way to get a pear shape. Hope you can see this because this is kind of late that I'm doing this. Have a good night, friends. Hi, friends. I've been wanting to share a little Valentine's tutorial. They're not hearts, but it is part of my heart because I love pears. And I'm going to show you in the beginning how to draw these pears the easiest way. And so I'm kind of filming in the middle of this. So you should already have that tutorial of me drawing pears, and now I'm just kind of sketching out the bowl that I've already sketched out. I'm using something that my granddaughter was painting on, and it was good paper. I think it's really good paper, so I wanted to be sure to use that. Okay, so using green, blue, red, and orange, and I'm gonna just get some green in there. This is just more like a fun little study. It's not necessarily anything like shadows or anything like that. I think that flat pears, it reminds me of Matisse, so you cannot go wrong. I'm using blue in the background. I also like kind of like a loose painting, so that it just makes it a little bit more interesting. You have some looseness in there. And so, I don't know if you can see this, but this is my table. Okay, you can probably see this better now. Put some orange. It's okay if the colors mix. Makes it harmonious. Pink. This is just a pink that I mixed up. Some red. I do like a striped bowl. Some black. I'm not trying to be perfect. I love it very much. You can add maybe, I don't know, some orange for the stems. Y'all, this is a flat painting and I like it so much. This will probably go to one of my customers who buys an original painting. I like to put something in there. Or sometimes I'll put a print, a small print. You want it really defined, you can come in a little bit. Come in a little bit. Just to define it a little bit. It's still wet, but this gives you an idea. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope all of you do something that you like, create something, bake something, eat something that you might like. Have a good night.